Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Nails by Riss here, and I'm going to be showing you how to do an ombre nail look. You're going to need a cosmetic wedge, and they can be found at Target or any drugstore. I also have already applied a base color called White Bunny, and now I am going in with my colors that I would like the ombre to be. I went in and applied the ombre color 4 times, but if you want it to be even more pigmented, you could do it another time. Here's the final look for my ombre nail. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please give me a like and subscribe to my channel.